So it is that special time of month again. It is our monthly Boxycharm video. And this month's theme is hashtag BoxyEdgy. Now this month, for some weird reason, I did not have one of those like cute little information cards that usually comes in here and gives you all the information about every single item. But I did take the liberty of researching it myself and writing down the pricing and things like that. So this month's total box is $294. That is so crazy. And the first item that we have here is the Hank and Henry in Living Color palette, which retails for $27. Now, usually I try on the items, but I do know that this is not an item that I'm going to keep because I actually wanted the Boxycharm eyeshadow palette, and I didn't need another one of these palettes. So this is an item that I will be giving away. Hopefully I don't want to mess it up, but I do want to show you what it looks like. Okay, so these are the cool shades on the back. It says they are vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and sultry sin, fuchsia, petticock. I don't even want to know what that is about. Dragon blood, Rosalinda, boy's toy, Mariana French, La Canela, and Rustique. I think that's how that goes. And then this is what it looks like. Super nice palette. It is a bit chunky. I like my palettes to be kind of thin so they can kind of store easily, but this is such a nice palette, a lot of metallics, and really nice colors, and I will be giving this palette away. The next item that I have is QMS Meta Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. Now this was a choice item that I chose. It's a lip serum. This retails for about $200. So I'm like, you know, I would never buy a $200 serum. Why don't I just get it at Boxycharm? And I thought that, and I did try this, I thought that a $200 serum, oh my God, this is going to be crazy. I've been using it for over a week and I really cannot tell a difference on my lips. I'm sorry. It's supposed to hydrate and plump the lips for a smooth, youthful appearance, and it's for all skin types, and I would not go buy this for $200. I have other products that don't cost anywhere as much and gives me a beautiful lip, and this is I'll keep trying to use it, but it definitely did not exceed my expectations. Sorry. Just be honest. Okay, the next item that we have is by Chella. These are Chella tweezers. These are $20 tweezers. I did just go and buy so many tweezers, so I do not need another pair of tweezers. So this will be another giveaway item. The next item that I have is by Kat Von D. It's called a Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter in the shade of Helix. This retails for $25. Another item that I will be giving away because I just do not prefer a liquid highlighter. Some people may be able to work with it a little better than I do, but since I do have so many highlighters, I would just rather give this away to somebody else who would want it. It does look really cool, and I don't know if I said this, but it does retail for $25. Alright, my final item is by one of my favorite brands, Becca Cosmetics. This is a glow gloss in the shade of Camellia. Now, I usually do not need any more lipsticks, lip glosses, anything like that, but then when I pulled this bad boy out, I was like, yeah, this is mine. I'm keeping it. It's not going anywhere. This is so pretty. And this retails for $22. Let's see here. I know I already have some on, but oh, so pretty. It's going to be extra pretty in the summertime. And it has like this minty smell to it, which is really nice because peppermint by the mouth is always a bonus, okay? All right, so that, I think, yeah, those are my 5 items this month, and 90% I am giving them away. or 70%. I don't know. This is another box. This is my only my second box from Boxycharm that I wasn't like, oh my god, so crazy over. But I still love them so much that, you know, maybe next time it will be better. I don't know. But either way it goes, this box cost me $25 and it retails for $294. So that's a really good value. So this is my hashtag Boxy Edgy Box. If you guys want to know how you can get your hands on a Boxycharm subscription, I will have some information listed in the description box. And if you want to know how you can get a hold of me on any of my social medias, I'm at Access Lauren. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, make sure you guys stay in high spirits, spread positivity, love, pray, drink hot tea, get your humidifiers, your freaking aromatherapy out, your eucalyptus, lavender, orange oil, tea tree oil, and stay safe. Wash your hands, spray your Lysol, use the wipes, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in April.